main thing about the early bird is, you know, the first one to it be the last one to go down to, you know what I'm saying, to get the shit. You know, the first one up, getting this motherfucking money by all the any means necessary. You know what I'm saying? If you selling work, that's what you do. If you hustle, you know what I'm saying, you working a 9-to-5 job, nigga, you know what I'm saying, that's your shit, nigga. That's the early bird. And pretty much the motor thing is, wherever you do, that's you be the first one to it, be the last one to leave out this shit. That's what the main thing is about, the whole concept. So.
Sassy, what it do? Chill. Early bird gets the early worm, you feel me? Let's go, motherfucker. Start bagging up my work. Putting on my clothes now and I'm heading to the curb. Go fuck around, get murdered. Put your ass right up in the dirt. Nigga, I ain't lying, yeah, the truth hurts. Nigga, I was always told to shoot first. That's right. Ask questions later. Get money, get past haters. My time is now, not later. Now I'm pretty most high to God favor. Now bet the odds, I slay and do whatever this shit like Mayweather. Worst thing is for you niggas is that I'm gonna get way better. Took me this long to just to figure out that I can do it. Set myself down, get my mind right, grind, and know I'm right back to it. All these niggas wanna hear the streets is real life trap music. If I say that I done did it, if I ain't done it, I'm about to go do it, bitch. I'm trying to get it, this what I call it early service. Smoking to get my mind right, that's the early hurry. Gotta beat the block, cause it's like a riding curve. I'm always up on the clock, yeah, that early bird. Early, trying to get it in, we call it early service. Smoking to get my mind right, that's the early hurry. Gotta beat the block up just like a riding curve. I'm always up on the clock, yeah, that early bird. Can't tell me nothing, I fell in love with this street shit. And I grabbed it pack and I grabbed it gat. Love the money so I got on my feet quick. What you know about task force? Went through your house, found ain't no heat clips. Every time Brady Patriot offering, Ray lose a Baltimore Raven defense. Had a long time, baby. Looking with ground, so I got that ounce. Pirate vision, cop that ticket. Your basketball, but that shit had bounce. Quarter roll up, 28 jumping 34. You add up what's the amount? 40 loaded clip. When I let it go, I'ma make sure that it count. Nigga, you ain't really certified in the hood until you get your stamp. Me and my nigga be ready, right up on your ass just like a rabbit. Ain't nothing you can do. It really ain't shit that you can tell us. It's like when you get it, money, everybody ready to being jealous, nigga. That's right. I'm trying to get it, this what I call it early service. Smoking to get my mind right, that's the early hurry. Gotta beat the block, cause it's like a riding curve. I'm always up on the clock, yeah, that early bird. Early, trying to get it in, we call it early service. Smoking to get my mind right, that's the early.
Shit, it's your motherfucking boy G Muney, man. I'm chilling here with the fam right here. I got my nigga all day OJ with me right now.
Right now.
Yeah, so we in the building. You know where we at. We down the way. We on Lynn. As you see, we right here at Jet In, Jet Out. You know what I'm saying? The most spot where everybody come to. We in the hood, as always, nigga. If you don't see me in the hood, nigga, you perfect, nigga. Cause my face is everywhere. But in the meantime, though, we out here getting money, trying to do this music shit. We trying to take off. We ain't on purpose about our shit, about what we do, nigga. Real talk. What y'all niggas gonna do?
What it do, B? Land to land. You know where we rock, kid. You feel me? I always get money. What it do? Come holler at us, kid. We right here. You always see us right here, B. Always. Get at us, kid.
L's up, son. Gotta get it. Why not? No faking. Get that cheese, my nigga. Free cell phone, so you know I'm getting money. Ice game. Shout it.
Hold on. Show them the ice, man. Show them the ice right there, man. That's a hell of a motherfucking goddamn. This nigga got the continents on this goddamn
man.
shit, man.
Gotta get the cheese. Why not?
Got to, man. Yeah, dude. You got the little
What's
homie.
up? I'm cashiers, you feel me?
You got the little homie right here. It's out your shit, nigga. That's it. It's up on the clock, yeah, that early bird.
Right now. Right now.